Are you an entrepreneur or business owner looking for ways to increase the business cash flow? Well, you're at the right place. Go grab your pen and paper, then let's begin.
Bear in mind, conditions apply. All grants have specific deadlines. For more information, please visit our website at www.mycoachministry.com. Scan this QR code now and begin.
All right, here we are. It's now time for me to share with you the funding alert, right? The current funding that are available are top 25 funding opportunities, top funding opportunities for 2025, more specific, April, okay? And again, like I said before, this blog is updated every single month. So when you hear this podcast, if you hear me talking about a specific month and we're not in that month, just go to the blog and find that month. It will be there by the time that month comes in. It's published on the 1st of each month. So the latest information is published the 1st of each month. So if I'm talking about April, but you're watching this in March, just go to the website and you'll find the information for March. I'm sorry. March is long gone. That is there as well. But if you're watching this in May, June, July, whenever, you're watching this beyond April 2025, just know that you can go to the website and get the information that's relevant for the month that you're in. That's what I'm trying to say. I hope I've said it more effectively. There we go. So let's look at what is here. I'm going to be, we have global opportunities and we have Africa specific opportunities. I think I've already shared those ones. I went into those. And then we have Canada specific opportunities. And I shared the Canada specific opportunities in the last one. I read them all out so you can check further. And now today we have the opportunities only within the United Kingdom. We have those, and I think those are the ones I'm going to be going into based on the time that we're in now. But let me go down first before I come back here. And then we have opportunities only within the United States. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see where I make it clear that if you are seeking funding, if you are seeking state-specific funding, all you have to do, here it is, there are also over 70 opportunities within specific United States, which are not mentioned in this article. If you have questions about funding/grants, resources, and opportunities for the most recent opportunities by state, click this little button right here, the link below to request the information. So right here where it says Ask Coach, click this button right here, or come down here and say Ask Anything, click on Ask Anything, right? So you can either ask there or you can just click the Ask Coach button. Or just come down here and click, where is it? Comments. Oh, I think it's because it's me. All right, you just, here it is. You just come here and you leave a comment with your question and publish it, okay? So I can see it. Now, I just want to go into more details with regards to the funding within the United Kingdom. Here we go. There are 3 of them, and I'm just going to read them out for you. So you have the Chick-fil-A True Inspiration Award Grant. True Inspiration Awards grants range from $30,000 to $350,000, with a collective $6 million awarded annually to non-profit organizations throughout the United States and Canada, Puerto Rico, the UK, and Singapore. Application deadline for submission is May 1st. Remember, we're in April now. May 1st, 2025. Funding up to $350,000. Then you have the Horsham Leap Grants. Green Leap grants of up to £5,000 will be available for small Horsham district-based businesses to fund climate-friendly projects, which will not only help future-proof their businesses, but also support the achievement of their businesses' climate ambitions. LEAP grants of up to £2,000 will also be available to fund other project ideas, which will help boost local businesses. And this opens April 2, 2025. It's already open, because it was opened. I think that was last week or the week before, the 2nd of this month. It was opened, right? So it's still open for you to go and uptake. And then the third one, which is the final one, is the innovative UK KTN resource for sourcing grant programs available. Listen, resource for sourcing grant programs available in the UK across all sectors. Funding opportunities section allows visitors to the website to filter grants by sector or type of funding required. So that is a grant database. Very, very useful. I always say it's important to have a solution seeking attitude as an entrepreneur, as a business person. Seek funding, and it's okay to apply and be rejected, and you keep applying. Get into the habit of seeking funding, get into the habit of seeking help, get into the habit of reaching out and asking for help. It's a good thing to do. It is something I'm also working on myself, learning to ask for help, because I'd have been much farther along if I was better at help seeking. Let's become help seeking individuals, help seeking entrepreneurs, help seeking people. We don't have to struggle alone, and too often we do. Too often we struggle alone when we don't have to struggle alone. Oh my goodness, we have come to the end of another program. Woo, we have come to the end of another episode. Wow. We have come to the end of episode 8. Can you believe it? Episode 8. Oh, I cannot believe it. We've come to the end of episode 8. And I'm extremely grateful. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for liking. I've already have one of my closest friends. She's like, oh my gosh, I have thoughts. I have some things that I want to say. I want to join your discussion and stuff like that. And I'm so looking forward to that. If you'd like to join my discussion, if you'd like us to collaborate, if you'd like us to partner on some of these podcasts, reach out. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what your ideas are. I am open to working. You know what, this year, and I make a promise, if I'm here for 2026, I'm going to work on become a better collaborator. I want to become a better networker. I want to connect more with other entrepreneurs and other business people and people who are doing podcasts and stuff like that. I want to collaborate more. It's never been my my area of strength. So I know it's something I'd have to work on, really work on, and I'm willing to do so. So I just want to say thank you so much for being with me today. I hope that whatever I shared with you today was useful. It was empowering, but mostly that it was worth your while and that you enjoyed it. I hope you had some good times. And I just want to say thank you. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Please share it with a friend. Tell somebody else about it. You know what I mean? And I will be pulling the segments apart so you're able to, when you're rewatching, you can go specific to the segment that you want to watch. All right. So thank you so much. I appreciate you. This is such a pleasure project for me. I am sorry, not just pleasure. It is pleasurable. I mean, it's pleasing. It is pleasing to do this, but it's a passion project for me, is what I meant to say. And it is my hope that it's empowering entrepreneurs, because entrepreneurs, you are my people. You are my people. So not that I don't love anybody else, but we were all born entrepreneurs. But that's a different conversation. We were all born creating, okay? All of us. So I just want to say thank you so much. And may today be your best day. May today be your best day yet in 2025. Please seize every moment of joy. Every moment that brings you joy, seize it. Every moment that makes you feel proud of yourself, seize it. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye. I love to open new packages. I will give you the latest information on top funding opportunities. for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me and Coach Racquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.